Hello everyone. Ever wonder how some social media posts just blow up out of the blue? What's the secret sauce? Today we are diving into some magical strategies that give your social media content the extra pizzazz. Let's unlock the mysteries of generative AI together. So, where did it all begin? Remember the days of plain text and a couple of hashtags? Oh, how times have changed. Now it's all about catchy visuals, gripping stories and scroll-stopping creativity. Let's take a walk down memory lane and see how social media content has transformed. Now let's meet the superhero of our story, generative AI. Imagine having a creative buddy who's always brimming with fresh ideas. That's generative AI for you. It helps craft content that's not just eye-catching but absolutely unforgettable. Let's unravel the magic together. Time to get our hands dirty. What are some cool ways to use generative AI for your content? From snazzy images to captivating captions, generative AI has a trick up to its sleeve for everything. Let's explore some super strategies that all makes your content shine. Wondering if all this really works? Let's shine the spotlight on some success stories. From booming businesses to influencers who have stolen the show, discover how generative AI has made a real-world impact. So what's next in this exciting adventure? The world of social media never stands still, and with generative AI, the future looks very brighter than ever. Let's peek into the future and see what incredible innovation awaits. There you have it, friend. Generative AI is not just a tool, it is a game changer for creating social media content that sparkles. Ready to give your social media the boost if it deserves? Dive in, start experimenting and watch your content soar. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome insights. Thank you.